Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we have something truly special for you, an absolute classic. We're diving into the 1940 Adler Diplomat, a car that perfectly blends German engineering with vintage luxury. Whether you're a car enthusiast or a lover of history, this golden beauty will take you back to a time when cars were made with unmatched craftsmanship. Let's get into it. Now, first things first, let's talk about the exterior. The 1940 Adler Diplomat is a true masterpiece. Its sleek, streamlined design stands out with its long hood and clean, elegant lines. What really catches the eye is this stunning golden color, which perfectly complements the car's vintage feel while making it look incredibly luxurious. The chrome accents on the front grille and the bumpers add a touch of sophistication. And those classic round headlights, just iconic. The body has a smooth, almost aerodynamic silhouette that was ahead of its time. Whether it's parked in a collection or cruising down the street, this car commands attention. Step inside the Adler Diplomat, and it's like entering a time machine. The interior exudes an old-world charm, with a focus on comfort and luxury. The seats are upholstered in high-quality leather, and the wooden dashboard and steering will add a touch of elegance and warmth to the cabin. It's clear that the materials used were premium for its time, and the attention to detail is evident everywhere you look. The design may be simple, but it's certainly not lacking in class. The instruments and controls are well organized, with that classic analog feel that transports you to the 1940s. While it may not have modern gadgets or flashy tech, the Adler Diplomat's interior offers a timeless, cozy driving experience. Now, let's talk about the performance of this classic car. Under the hood, the 1940 Adler Diplomat was equipped with a 2.5-liter, inline-six engine, which produced around 70 horsepower. While that might not sound like a lot by today's standards, remember, this car was built to cruise comfortably rather than race. It's got a smooth ride, thanks to its independent suspension and sturdy construction. The performance is ideal for those looking to take it out for a relaxed, enjoyable drive, letting the engine hum as you roll down the open road. The Adler Diplomat was built with precision, and it shows in the way it handles, providing a stable and comfortable driving experience. Now, let's talk about the price. Being a rare classic car, the 1940 Adler Diplomat doesn't come cheap. If you were to find one in good condition today, you're looking at prices that can range from $50,000 to $70,000 or more, depending on its condition and rarity. Given that this car has become a collector's item, the price can go even higher if it's in exceptional shape with original parts and documentation. But if you're lucky enough to own one, you're not just owning a car, you're holding a piece of automotive history. So, there you have it, folks, the 1940 Adler Diplomat in all its golden glory. It's a car that perfectly embodies the craftsmanship of its time, offering a timeless driving experience and style. If you're a fan of classic cars, this one is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this review. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel for more classic car reviews. See you in the next video.